Hello, everyone. I'm Peng Fei and belong to ME10. So today we are going to have a group meeting. Okay, let's go. I will show you our group meeting.
Hi, I'm Jingwei. First of all, congratulations to ME10 for completing the expo for the project. After more than 3 months, we collected and completed the project development and finally achieved the good results. I'm very satisfied with the result we have achieved. Thanks each of my teammates. Now, I want to share my learning journey.
I am a data analyst in my team and responsible for the data collection, data wrangling, and data analysis for our application. This is an important job and one of the foundations of the project. I also enjoy the process of wrangling data. After all, every time I open the software, I can see the shadow of the processing.
Although we encountered a serious problem in the development of the project, no matter what, we overcame the difficulties with the help from each other. Thanks again to each of my teammates. Throughout the whole project process, I learned that to develop a project, not only to complete the design and packaging of the code, but also to write many documents and logs. They are all things I didn't know before. All in all, these are all meaningful things that from IE project. Hi, Jian. Do you want to share something for us?
Well, for our IE team project, I was responsible for project planning, team tasks, activities, and routines coordination, also UI designs and delivery essential documentations. So at the beginning of this semester is very tough for us. As this topic, testing our bushland, is very unfamiliar to us. In the first few weeks, we are struggling in selecting a theme for building the project, and which is also very hard to find a complete data set for such topic. So we've had a lot of meetings and talked a lot to ensure everyone is in the same page. And finally, we are inspired by some existing alternatives and decided the direction of the application development, which is to provide information and notification for users to ensure the safety in the bushland. It is likely to say that during the whole time, I was keep evolving during the whole time, from iteration 1 to the final build. I always think the feedbacks from the industry and the student mentors as the most valuable things. By taking those feedbacks, our team project avoided a large number of time wasting and unnecessary functional developments. And through the IE project, I've learned that working in a team should not only taking care of your individual tasks, but also evaluate and assess others' work to improve the overall performance, which is greater than sum of its equal part. A team shall be work together to achieve more. So what do you think, Fengtian?
Hi, I'm Fengtian Yu. I'm really happy to record this video. I will talk about my position and what I learned from IE. In IE project, my major duty is to develop our Android application, the Amazon Web Service. For all 3 iterations, I frequently add some features and functions according to the suggestion from student mentors and teammates. The IE lesson is really useful. It lets me know the process of a project to be done. There are proposal, design, some iterations, test, and final handover. And my studio mentor Mandy and Sushti are very nice and helpful. And I also want to thank to my 3 teammates. They always give me some useful suggestions. So I think IE is a good lesson and it is helpful for me to find a job. Then I will demonstrate my how I do the coding. So this is our Android Studio. So for our Android Studio, we have 5 modules: the about page, home page, map page, report page, and our search page. So this is how I write the code in the Android Studio. This is my layout XML file, which is the layout for our screen. Yes, you can see there are some images and codes. Yeah, that's all for my part. So what do you think, Peng Fei?
So Hello everyone, so I'm Penwei, one of the members of the group ME10, and after the completion of Expo, this course will soon come to an end. So I think I've learned a lot from like 12 weeks and or 3 months classes. So we work out the final output as a team. So now please allow me to introduce my learning journey. Now I will show you our group's Amazon RDS database, and that's all the path table and location table, which were made of multiple variables, and you can see the command line of inserting all the data set to the database. At the end, I can display all the data in our database. Like I will display the path table. You can see all the path information, and if I display the location table, I can view all the geographic location of our paths. So I found this Android application development less difficult after we assign and distribute it to everybody in our group. So every one of us work hard as a team. We finally made the final output. So thanks to my groupmates. That's all. Thank you.
For Xinran, you are a good team leader, and you can always plan ahead. As the BI student, you have an excellent oral speaking to make up for the deficiency of the rest of us. And for Fengtian, you are one of the most powerful IT students I have ever seen. Your coding skills and professional skills have opened our eyes to us. We cannot do this project without you to make such a satisfying application. And for Pengfei, you have not only the ability of data analysis, but also for good at the database.
Well, I have to say that they are the best teammates I've ever had in my academic journey. Every one of them is very friendly and nice. What amazing is they can always get the things down, no matter how hard it is, how complex it can be. So they can just work it out. And we've really got some chemical reactions and tacit understanding in the team. Also, during the whole time, the team has zero conflicts, zero blocks, and Jingwei and I are working on the most of documentations. We are very efficient and always can quickly agree on different things. Pengfei and Fengtian are the key to make our product live. I've learned quite a lot of interesting texts and things about mobile development. I think those are very important to future career as well. So I hope everyone in the team could have a successful career in the future as well.
Hi, I'm very pleased in our extreme past team. For Xinran, you are a very good team leader. You can always lead us to complete some reports. For Jingwei, you are a very nice data analyst. You can always give some perfect data, and the data visualization is very beautiful. For Pengfei, you are a very good developer for database and system security. Without you, we cannot finish our project.
I really appreciate the efforts that all my teammates have put in our ME10's current project. We have put in a lot of extra time above and beyond the Call of Duty. So this has truly helped to ensure that we met our benchmark in a timely fashion. I'm so happy to see my teammates' hard work resulting in such success. Jingwei and Xinran did a remarkable job in data collecting and wrangling, and I just updated the wrangle data to the database, and Fengtian communicate to me to capture the data set from the database and display them in our app. Fengtian is a good Android developer and that have everything thanks to my groupmates. Yeah.